All right, so welcome about well. All right, welcome again to Military Guna TV, people. Thank you very much for joining. And today we'll speak about Djed Spence. Why? No, this guy has been in the footballing atmosphere for a short time span, but he has escalated so significantly over the few months since he has joined Nottingham Forest. A lot of top clubs in the Premier League looking at him, wanting to acquire his services. And now I've just gotten the report, seen the report from the Athletic. I'm gonna read that report to you guys from the Athletic. That reported by David Ornstein that Jamaica also now are trying to acquire the services of Djed Spence, which I do believe it's a very much it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. He's only 20, well, 19 actually. It's not 19, 19. 2000. Oh, he's 21. He's 21. My bad. Because I don't know much about him. I haven't really covered him. I know that for a while now, Jamaica, I've been having their eyes on him as well. But I'm gonna get into the article right now. But what I want you guys to do, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, people, so we can get into the show right now. Let us go. From here. So, hopefully, you guys already smash the like button. You guys already hit that subscribe button. As you know, that subscribe button. As you know, I'm on the road to 50k by the end of the year. That sounds far-fetched, but guess what? It's my goal. You have to set goals in life if you want to achieve anything. So, let me get into the article. Read exactly what's coming from. So this is from Nottingham Forest News. As you know, he's a Nottingham Forest right back. Blatant reports at Jamaica. Report Jamaica. Jamaica want Nottingham Forest defender to snub England, and nothing is wrong with that. So Nottingham Forest defender Djed Spence is wanted by Jamaica following his heroics at the City Ground this season. This is according to the reports by The Athletic, as I said, David Ornstein. The Reds have witnessed the brilliance with the 21-year-old, yes, 21, finally, this season. He has made 26 appearances in all competition for the Forest, and interest in him is rife. Arsenal, Tottenham, Inter, and Roma are all through to be keen on the right back, with the Middlesbrough looking to set to receive a windfall. Now his services are being sought on the international front too. Spence qualifies for Jamaica with his parents being from the Caribbean. The club have made an approach. Let me see more into the article. England could come knocking too, though to complicate matters, Lee Carsley is considering putting him in the England under-21 squad for the next month's European Championship qualifiers. As you know, once Jamaica, you guys know this go. As soon as Jamaica get involved and say, hey, what do you think? What's that? England will become knocking. England will be taking the player right away, even if he doesn't even if player is not ready to put in to play for England. But once Jamaica is knocking, that's where England comes in. So Spence will have to make a decision though. The Football Association have claimed that multinational players will be picked to prevent from committing to another country. The youngster has been a revelation this season. Eyebrows were raised when he was added to the ranks, but he silenced his critics with a string of devastating display. His partnership with Brennan Johnson has been a joy to behold, and next season he looks certain to be playing in the Premier League football. No, that's what most of the things. So these reports are coming from the Athletic. If you guys think that the Athletic is not true, or the Athletic is not a verified source, hey, go again. These guys are very worldwide international journalists who have their their credibility and the heights of being scrutinized. But At this moment, what we're seeing right at this moment is that these reports are coming from the Athletic, in which I strongly believe that, hey, something is possible, something is in the pipeline, and that is good. That is really, really good, people. But in the comment section, what I want you guys to go and do right now, tell me what you think about this player. I've only seen him against Arsenal. That's the only time I've ever seen him against Arsenal. So definitely, when I watch a few highlights a while ago. It looks good based off the highlights. He's young. He's in the right age bracket. As you know, Coach Paul Hall did say that he's going in the direction of youth. And I remember telling people that Kiddo Taylor Hart was in Jamaica. And some good news. But I won't say anything as yet because I'm not privy to say at this moment. But for now, it's about Djed Spence. He's the one looking. As you know, he has his Jamaican parentage, and it's good. The mere fact that we're getting this news that the JFF stepped out of their comfort zone. We all know their comfort zone is being the lazy zone, and they're stepping out of the comfort zone to get this one over the line. I do believe that is something that is of high interest for me and for other fans who support football in Jamaica, for the Jamaican football program. As you know, we've been calling for these type of situation on a more regular basis because we definitely want get these players from the earlier stages rather than wait until when these guys are in the, what do you call it now, their peak playing football overseas, are in the top level of football, where now the big international countries, nations, with the bigger nations who have the money and who have the facilities and all those aspects comes in, and they are more interested in those, because the truth is, as a human being, you will be more interested in those aspects, in those things as well. But that's how it is. That is the reason why it's important for us as a smaller nation to get these players from there early. Contact these players from the early, so when you lock them in, you have a better chance of keeping them when they really, really hit that height. So I think that is interesting news, and I am happy to hear that news. I'm really happy to hear that news. Hopefully they can get this one done. And a lot of players are very much interested in our program. So people, I won't go on any further. In the meantime, what I want you guys to do, smash the like button, go into the comment section, tell me what you think about this. Do you think that is a good move? This is a good move by JFF? Do you think that this is something that should have been done a long time ago? Let's see how that one goes. So go into the comment section right now and please tell me what you think. This has been a good one, people. Military Guna TV, people. Like, share, and most importantly, for the channel to grow, hit that subscribe button, people. And I am out.